it's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back in this thing with another clothing haul video. And today I got Tosha Fierce. Come on, sit down. So today we have a Lovely Wholesale clothing haul, and we have some goodies right here. I am wearing the first outfit, so I'm going to put these items down and I'm going to tell y'all a little bit more about this outfit. I will leave everything in the description below. Everything that I'm trying on is a small, y'all. Y'all know I don't play with Lovely Wholesale because they do run big. So we gonna get small on everything because I need to fit in these outfits. It has this stringy tie in the front, and you can open it to where your cleavage shows. And they have these jogger pants that go with it. When I seen it, I was like, you know what? Let me try this because I thought it was really cute. Then you can scrunch the arms up like this to where it looks like puffy. Giving very much booty. So I'm gonna get a mic over to my mama so she can rate this from 1 through 10.
Well, let me just say, I'm gonna get this outfit a 9 because it is fitting her really good. You know, it's got that booty showing. You know, got it looking real good. Then a little peekaboo, a little, you know.
So why
not giving all the thing, just giving a little bit of sass. It is real cute, but you know, the jogging pants is a little kind of high water. They don't all no. They're floods. They're a little flooded. Give it I give it a 9 just because the bottoms, the joggers are a little short, you know, and so if you got some height, they're gonna really be short, so you know what I'm saying. So, but for overall, it's a real good chill outfit. Good for the fall. You know what I'm saying? It's not good for that shit. I give that a 9 out of 10, and only because it's the pants was a little high.
All right, y'all. So this is the second I want to say outfit. This is the second item. So this is the pair of
Fox leather.
Yeah, some fake leather.
Fox leather
pants. These is too cute though. They are real cute. They is fitting, this shaping. I can pair this with something too cute. And they got the bone in the front.
Give these a 10 actually because I love how they fit on her, and I like the little tie detail that's in the front. The color is really nice. It's giving like a burnt orange, reminds me of like the leaves falling in the fall time color. It's real pretty, real soft. It's real soft. Only thing I hate about you got this goddamn flying mantis in them. I really like the way they fit on her. You know, that booty is really looking real nice in the pants. They real cute. So I give it a 10. It's cute.
This right here is the top. These jeans did not come with Lovely Wholesale. I just paired it with it because I didn't have any pants to go with it. But this top is super cute. I love this top. It's giving me straight in the bob. It go right with it. I'm about to hand this over to my mama so that she can rate this shirt from a 1 through 10.
I'm gonna give this a 10 also because this is like my favorite stuff right here. This sweater, anything off the shoulders, is sexy. You can wear it with a bob. You can wear it with some long hair, sleek ponytail, and it's gonna, you know, show your neckline and all that kind of stuff. So, and it looks good. It'll look good with these shorts and some high-rise boots, or some thigh boots, or some nice jeans, or the sweater. So I'm gonna give that a 10.
So this is the next outfit. This is too cute. It's like a jogging suit, 2-piece. 2-piece jogging suit.
All right, So I'm going to give this jogging suit a 7. I really like it, but we know that this is a knockoff. But it's real cute. It's got the Timberland symbol in the front, the gold detailing on the orange and the cream. Real cute, fitting real nice. I see a little thread, you know, that I don't like. We're gonna have to burn that off a little bit. But we're gonna pair this with some real Timberland boots, so we know we can get some authenticity out this outfit. But yeah, it's real cute though. I do like it. Only reason why I gave it a 7 is because it's a knockoff.
This is giving me straight workout. I am not a fan of this one. It is not cute.
Right. So, I'm going to give this a 5.
A 4.
A 5, only because we're trying to keep it alive.
Girl, this outfit, what you know? No.
What we have here is give it a 5. Only it's just because it's it's just not right. we gonna definitely give this a 5 because it won't hit B Marie timeline.
See the vision to this outfit.
We're gonna give this 8. It could be really a makeup inspired look because I can see the colors. It's yellow with the red and orange detailing. I don't know if we filming for this tutorial or P Valley, but right now we could just raise 50K for Clifford right quick. So I'm gonna give this an 8.
This is the next outfit that my mom was about to give a 1 through 10.
Saw her take it out the bag. I was like, I don't know, but now that she has put it on, I really like it. It got some really soft colors. Actually, it's matching her makeup look to the T. It's real cute. Yeah, butt is real huge. You know, you have to bend down like a lady, and you can't be doing. Yes. You have to bend down like that. It really looks cute. So I'm gonna give this a 10 because it actually came out better than I expected.
Next piece, actually this is a jacket. I didn't have anything to pair with it as far as a shirt or a dress, so I paired some jeans with it. So now my mom was about to rate me from a 1 through 10.
I'm definitely gonna give this jacket a 10. I'm feeling it, really. It's really pretty. I'm liking all the colors and the little triangle shapes that's in here. We got some dots. That's a few dots on the side and the back. The colors are really pretty together, so I definitely can see this paired with either. You could do multiple things with this jacket. Actually, you could put a belt around it with some jeans, some nice booties. I would put a belt on it. 10.
These are the last 2 items. This purse and this jacket. This purse I definitely wouldn't pair it with this jacket, but this jacket is so cute. I am definitely thinking about wearing it this weekend. I could definitely pair it with some jeans. Mama said with some holes in it. But yeah, this jacket and everything that I got on with it. This purse is giving me 4th of July vibes.
Start off with the handbag. So we're gonna give the purse a 9. I like the purse. It make America great again. Go vote. No. To pair this with a red leather jacket, some jeans, a white beater, okay, and some real cute red booties, the ones that I just got, but it's not in this tutorial. The jacket is definitely a 10 for me. I'm loving all the colors. It's just giving me like, you know, biker, you know, where my nigga with his bike, you know, come on, scoop me. It's real cute. I like it. Get it, don't stop. Get it, don't stop. Get it. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this look. It's real cute, especially with the even cut. Yeah, so I give this a 10.
All right, y'all, so that is all the outfits from LovelyWholesale. Don't forget to go check the description right below and tell me what you think about every outfit that you've seen thus far. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you have a favorite, let me know. I don't know why I gotta bend down because I can't see myself, but let me know which one is your favorite. And yeah, don't forget to go tell LovelyWholesale that B Marie sent you all, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next tutorial.